Roof maintenance is crucial for homeowners, especially in humid climates like Sarasota, where grime and algae can cause structural wear. Let's dive into the two main methods of roof cleaning: pressure washing and soft washing. Pressure washing uses high pressure to quickly remove dirt and algae, but it can be risky for delicate materials. On the other hand, soft washing combines low pressure with specialized chemicals, making it safer for your roof. The benefits of pressure washing include speed and effectiveness, but it can damage shingles if not done carefully. Soft washing is gentler and can effectively kill mold and algae without harming your roof's surface. When considering costs, pressure washing might seem cheaper up front, but potential damage can lead to higher repair bills. Soft washing may have a higher initial cost, but it often results in longer-lasting cleanliness and protection. Choosing between these methods depends on your roof material, its condition, and the level of contamination present. Common misconceptions include the belief that pressure washing is always superior or that DIY methods are safe for everyone. In reality, soft washing is not weak. It's a careful approach that protects your investment. For many homeowners, a gentle soft washing or a professional hybrid approach strikes the best balance between safety and effectiveness. Visuals of before and after roof surfaces, water spray, and mold removal will help illustrate these points clearly.